Hey people, so this friend and me, we were sitting and discussing about what are the things that would make a channel do well, YouTube channel. And when it comes down to it, it's something as simple as, maybe packaging the way you would look in a video, which automatically would disqualify people like me. But still, see, I'm trying. As you can see, I'm trying. But the the thing is. It's also now I've come to understand that every channel, every category has a certain audience. So more than anything, that's what honestly you should cater to that audience. But somewhere I think you should cater to just what your heart is telling you. So for me, I got this particular outfit at a sale, like I always buy, but it's actually a short dress, but I'm wearing it with jeans right now, and even this actually I'm not comfortable wearing sleeveless, but really, but the thing is, if you want your channel to grow, uh, concentrate on the packaging. I mean, of course the content is king, but it's also the way you present something that will find an instant audience. And I've already crossed 1 minute, so I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.